How to subscribe to YouTube Premium with Student ID. I'm going to tell you how to get YouTube Premium at a student discount. First, go to youtube.com/premium/student and click try it free. You'll be redirected to Share ID for student verification. Fill in your details, name, school, and country. You might need to upload proof like your student ID or enrollment letter. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link to return to your YouTube and complete your subscription. The student plan is $7.99 per month. After 1 month free trial, it includes ad-free videos, background play, and YouTube music. Remember, you'll need to re-verify your student status annually. If you encounter issues, try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser.